This afternoon's hands are based on reverse bidding and subsequent bidding after a reverse. Hand 1, pass, pass, pass. West opens the bidding with their longest suit, 1 diamond. Pass, 1 spade. 6 to 11 points, 4 or more spades. The reason why it's limited to 11 points is they have initially passed. Pass from south. 2 hearts. 2 hearts is a reverse bid. It shows 16 plus points, a very good 16 plus points, 5 diamonds, 4 hearts, and is forcing for 1 round. The 3 responses to show weakness after a reverse are rebidding your suit at the lowest possible level, 2 spades in this case, or supporting any of openers' suits at the lowest possible level. In this case, 3 diamonds or 3 hearts. Pass. 3 diamonds showing weakness. Pass. And because of this, West doesn't have a good enough hand to bid 3-no trump. It is minimum for what they promised, and their partner shouldn't have 8, 9, 10 or 11 points, because if they have 8, 9, 10 or 11, their partner should know that they have enough for game and not make a weak second response. Pass. And pass from north. When the lead is made, we must analyze our winners and our losers. We have definitely 1 or maybe even 2 diamond losers. We have a spade loser, we have 2 club losers, and we have a heart loser. That's too many losers. We won't be able to avoid losing the club necessarily, or the spade, but we can avoid losing a heart. But we must time this hand correctly. We must draw the trumps and then go about roughing the heart. Small. South plays the ace just in case I have the singleton king, which I don't. They return a club to set up their partner's jack of clubs. At this point, we could play 3 rounds of hearts, hoping to discard a club and then rough a club. But a better line of play would be to draw a round of trumps to see if anything good happens, to draw a second round of trumps and hope that they break 3-2. And now we can play our hearts, and even if they rough, they're only roughing with a winner with which they will get. And even if they over roughed, that would be the queen of diamonds, and they would win a spade and a club. But because they can't over rough, we're still going to lose the queen of diamonds, the ace of spades, and the losing club that we have. But we guarantee making 9 tricks. It would be wrong to play a spade on this hand, hoping that the ace of spades was on the left. That's a 50% chance of success. Hoping that diamonds are 3-2 is a 68% chance of success. On this hand, both lines of play work, but the percentage of the diamonds 3-2 and then roughing a heart has a greater chance of success than the finesse. On the second board of today's set, we are going to look at it from responder's point of view. What do we do, or how do we think after our partner has made a reverse bid? Pass from east. 1 club from south, 12 to 19 points. Clubs are my longest suit, may or may not be balanced. Pass from west. 1 spade from south, 6 or more points. 4 or more spades, forcing for 1 round. Pass from east. 2 hearts. This is a reverse bid by north. This shows 5 clubs, 4 hearts, 16 plus points, and is forcing for 1 round. Pass. Now, as responder, we have a very weak hand. We cannot pass. Which suit of our partners do we prefer? Do we prefer hearts, where we have 7 of them? Or do we prefer clubs, where we have 8 of them? In this hand, we prefer clubs. But if our partner hadn't got strength, we wouldn't want to play at the 3 level in clubs. But we also want to inform partner that we don't have a hand strong enough to go any further. So we bid 3 clubs, which is one of the 3 weakest responses we can make. And unless partner has 18 or 19 points, they shouldn't bid over 3 clubs, because we have announced that as far as we're concerned, we don't have enough for game. Therefore, we're showing weakness and minimum. Pass, pass, pass. Again, when the lead is made, which is a diamond, we have to analyze what we're going to do. Now that we've swapped seats and we're in declarer's seat, again, we have to analyze the losers, looking at it from the declarer's point of view. We have immediately 2 diamond losers, and if they get a diamond ruff, we will lose 3 diamond tricks. So we have to hope that that doesn't happen. We have no spade loser, because the 3 of spades in our hand is covered by the ace and dummy. We have at least 1 club loser if the suit breaks 3-2. And we have 2 heart losers. So 2 hearts, 2 diamonds, and 1 club is 5 losers. Too many. If we count our winning tricks, we will hope to get 4 club tricks, we will get 2 heart tricks is 6, a diamond trick, a spade trick is 7, and a diamond trick is 8. That's not 9 tricks. If the heart suit breaks 3-3, which is a 36% chance, we will gain extra tricks because our 13th heart will grow up. But that's not likely to happen. We can, however, give ourselves a chance by being able to ruff a heart trick. But to do that, we need to control the trump suit and give up a heart. So we play small on the diamond. They win and return a diamond. West will win and return a diamond, hoping their partner can ruff, which is very unlikely, but there's nothing else to do. And when we win, we do not draw trumps immediately. What we do is we give a heart winner to the opponents. When they win, there is nothing that they can play which will do any damage to us. If they play a heart or a club, we can win. If they play a diamond, it gives us a ruff and discard. If they lead a spade, we can win. When they lead a spade, we win with the ace of spades. And now we don't play hearts, because that might achieve a ruff for the opponents. Now we draw 2 rounds of trumps, winning in our hand. And if the trump suit is 3-2, when we play the winning hearts, it will serve no purpose if the person with the winning trump ruffs. Because if they ruff, we will still have the club in the hand with which to ruff with. And when we ruff the losing heart and ruff a spade, the only other trick we lose is a club, and our last winner will be a club, making an extra ruff in the dummy, the short trump hand, ruffing a loser in the long trump hand, hoping that the suit breaks 4-2, which is more likely than 3-3. And if the suit breaks 3-2 in clubs, it makes no difference if they over-ruff. Thinking at the start of the hand how many winners and losers you have and balancing it to 13 is crucial to being a top-class declarer.